Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace. Unlock your Oppo A3s and go to the home screen you'll use. Once there, make sure you have an empty area or a free page so the widget can sit without overlapping icons. If the clock app was disabled before, enable it in Settings apps so the widget appears. This step avoids layout problems later. Once done, long press a blank spot on the home screen to reveal wallpaper and widget controls and proceed to add widgets. Now you enter the widget drawer. Long press a blank area and tap widgets, then scroll to the clock entry. You'll see multiple styles and sizes. Pick digital for precise time or analog for style, and choose a compact or large format to match your grid. Tap and hold the version you like and drag it onto the home screen. Make sure it snaps into the grid cleanly. Once positioned, release to place it. Then tap the widget to open Quick Settings if customization is available. Finish by adjusting placement and style. Long press the newly added clock to resize or move it until it fits with your icons. You can also open the widget to add alarms or shortcuts and consider locking the home layout in Settings for stability. If the widget doesn't appear or behaves oddly, restart the phone first. If that fails, update the clock app or re-enable widget permissions in Settings apps. This quick troubleshooting resolves most issues, so your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.